This is the tricky part. Come up. You know what? I think I need to slide this crane back in a bit, otherwise I'm going to have a hard time with it. I need to do that first. This is still kind of a sketchy crane, like I don't know, maybe it's just because I have it so high up and whew, scared me for a second. I don't like this crane. Before I drop it all the way, let me put something down to keep my nice pink oil pan clean. Dang ducks. Fancy schmancy like Nancy. Alright, that's gonna be good enough. Shoots that forward. I think I have to have it at this end, so otherwise the middle setting, otherwise it won't work. I can't get close enough in on the engine because the actual jack runs into the front end of the car. Holy buckets, this thing is an unhappy jack. Oh my goodness. I'm three-wheeling right now. Bounce it. Still don't think that's high enough, but that's where I'm gonna work around with it. sketchy. Whew. There she blows. I really wish I could rotate the front end of this thing. This is freaking so annoying. Oh. Jeez. Let's try this. Ugh. This is so sketchy. Oh my goodness. How much weight do I need on there? I got some bags of cement I can put on. Is that it? That might have helped. Put some ballast on there. Gosh. I think that might have done it. Is that gonna do it? I don't even know what you guys can see. Oh, you can see. You got a good view of it. Okay, let's drop this down and see. Yeah, see how close we get, huh? Bang all this stuff around, huh? I got stuff underneath it. I gotta move still. Whew. I don't think I'm centered. I know I'm not centered actually. Let's try to center ourselves again. Oh yeah, we're making it. Ah, and we're centered. Oh, it all works out. Hopefully. Oh, that's way too far. What am I doing? Whew, so, ideal scenario, you want to have someone helping you with this, but I might go ahead and use this viewfinder as a second set of eyes. That out. Okay. Holy buckets. Alright, well, this guy actually might need to get out of her. Maybe I'll throw that underneath. So I still have some light, but I'm not paying for it as hard. And this thing's, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Back, let's try it. This feels like it's, oh yeah, okay. I got space. There's still time. Holy buckets. Here, yeah, this isn't working out as well as I'd like. let's try that. And then you can get a better picture how far. So right here, I guess, I don't know, well, from your angle, right there is the transmission bell housing. So I've got that far. That far to reach it. Oh my gosh, this is sketchy. Whatever. I think this is the first time I've ever put an engine in on my lonesome. And it's making me nervous. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, let's go ahead and fill her up, huh? I just got some grease, and I'm gonna put some grease. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not. If you're not supposed to do this, don't do this. Putting some grease right there on the okay, well, I don't know where that recording stopped and if I was recording. So here we are, putting the engine in. This is kind of the position we're at. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a good spot where you can see anything at, but that's where we're working anyway. Let's do that, and then you can get a good view of me, because anybody who's done this knows how kind of to do it. Oh geez, man. Okay, there's a good handle here. Whoa, hold up. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to come back just a little bit. There we go. Let's try that. Woo-wee. Oh geez, I'm getting all hung up on some things. Okay. Hearing some binding. Oh, okay, no worries. It's still doing its job. Go ahead and pull it back out just a tad again and keep going. Whoa! Whoa! Don't try and tighten your oil cap and unscrew your dang thingamabob at the same time, because otherwise you'll tighten this one and loosen this one. Yeah, that's not a good handle. That's not fun. And there we go. We're there. We're not in, but we are at the level I want to be at. Ah. And there we go. That's hello, power steering line. How are you doing today? There you go. Well, kinda. I need to jack up the transmission because the transmission is too low to be able to get the motor mounts in up over the top of the cross member. So I'm just gonna skip this part because you guys can't see anything anyway. All right, so I got I got that jacked up. I'm looking over here at my bolts and trying to figure out which one was the through bolt on that dog bone. And the only one I can find that has a nut and a bolt is seeming to be, oh, the right one. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that through right now, but we'll try it. Oh yeah, that was it. I just didn't try hard enough. Alright, slam that on. Oh. Well, it hit the ground. So most you can ask for when that happens, right? Best case scenario. Oh hey, what do you know? It popped out right at me. Dropped and fell and landed outside from underneath the car, if that makes sense. Alright, I'm just gonna do that by hand. Look how close that is. Huh? I love it. I love that I put these on because now I can't see anything. Okay, I need to look underneath and see. Okay, I need 1/2 inch to clear the motor mount studs. 1/2 inch for the motor mount studs to clear the subframe. And I kind of have, oh yeah, right there. Now I need to get the bottom in. Yeah, that'll all clear. So, laying down on the ground like a fool, your pants on the ground. Oh, I love that stupid little shield I put on because it makes it so I can't see the gap between the transmission anymore. Okay, cell phone flashlight to the rescue. Okay, I need to come up on my jack. Right now. Oh man, that's, oh man. Laying on those rails like I'm tied up, gonna get run over by a train. Need my old-fashioned Prince Charming to come save me. Anyway, yeah, my jack, just like that. Need to get my transmission up a little bit. Let's see if we can do one of those. It's not happy to do it yet, but it'll get there. This is actually a lot easier. Well, I can't say that yet, but let's try this. Well, if I drop it just that much, get it looking better. And I think I'm not high enough. No, I'm high enough to get past the cross member. Yeah, I just need that thing. It's the angle of those studs. The studs need to have the right angle to get like that. Are you kidding me? Did I just do that? Or is that just the top half of the engine? Holy buckets. That's... Okay, this is going to be tricky. Oh, yep. Okay. This is where you might need 2 people. Because the top goes on just fine. I'm going to go ahead and slam a bolt in on the top. This might not be the best way to go about it, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Let's keep your workspace clean. Otherwise, life sucks. Alright, let's try one of these. Okay. think that's too high up still. And that's the issue I'm having, is because I have the chain mounted so far forward on the engine, it's really dogging on the back end. I guess I could just come up higher on my... Maybe I need to take that bolt out of the dog bone again so I can get the jack up, or so I can get the transmission up higher. Let's see. Let's just try this. The shimmy shimmy with some Cocoa Puffs. Oh man. Oh. How is she looking now? Oh, that might be getting kind of high on the transmission side of things. Okay. Let's see. Alright, I'm not sure what's having the issue still now, because from what I can tell, it's lining up. I mean, there's still a gap on the bottom side, but it's lining up right. So I'm not sure what's binding and stopping it from doing what I want it to right now. I guess it potentially could be the torque converter, because I gotta get those nubbies to mate up. Maybe it's something over here. There's a couple of studs that I need. Whoop, sorry. Except when I'm pushing on, I can't see them. Makes things kind of difficult. Yeah. That looks good though on this side. Oh man, let's try this. Let's push this forward, huh? Let's try that. Don't have to fight it as much. Oh man, what do you know? That just went in. What? I've never had an engine like this one before. It popped out on its own. I think it just popped in on its own too. Okay, the other side did for sure. This side, not sure if it needs to go up or down, but it's getting real close. There's just not as good of a handhold on this end. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Whoa. Okay, don't stand on your crane when you're doing this. Okay, try that. And is that going? That feels like it's going. Oh, how close am I? I think. Oh, I'm there. I mean, it's so close right now. I bet I can bolt this. Well, not yet. Not quite. But yeah, that one is. Yeah, I got that pin on. Let's try going underneath it again. Shove this in and give it that extra little tension on it, and yeah, that's on, man. Holy cow. Oh, okay, get up underneath again. Bench press it in, just like on my manual swap episode. Except from under here again, I can't see anything. Oh, that's terrible. Alright, let's try. Oh man, that hurt. Oh. Oh yeah, that doesn't feel good. Oh. It's not like bench pressing at the gym. Ugh. I'm laying on cement floor. Oh man. I think there might have been a completely oil saturated piece of cardboard down there. You know, every little bit helps. Golly, there's, yeah, that much. A little tiny bit. I think it needs to go down. Let's try it. Let's try dropping the hoist again. So what's happening? Yeah, let's try that. What's happening is, because of this link setup I have, it's this side of the engine is like a, oh, I don't know, 1/4 inch higher than this side. So this side went in. So I need to drop down the whole thing, and as I drop down, I'll push, and hopefully it'll go into the dowel pin. And nope, it's not doing what I wanted. Maybe it did though. That looks like it's closer. Nah, rats. Still not there. So close though. Let me see if I can show you. There's not a lot of light down there, but I'm that close. Yeah. So close. But I haven't been messing with this for a half hour yet. The camera's been recording for 13 minutes, so good on y'all for persevering. Oh, yeah, I feel I'm having a hard time. Am I rubbing on the cross member again? No way, I'm totally clear to the cross member. Buckets. I wonder if I could drop it down and have it seat. Nope. Yeah, no. What if I drop the hoo-ha? Tranny. Let's try dropping the tranny. Maybe. That might have been a bad idea. Golly, yeah, it's on up at the top. It's that one dowel pin. One dowel pin. Giving me all this grief. The bummer part is I can't even tell how close I am. Let's see what I can do. See if I can find a flashlight. Well, forget that. Cell phone to the rescue. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna block you guys for a sec. Okay, dowel pin looks good. I honestly think, oh, ouch, my knees. I think, so it's the dowel pin and the stud on this side. So the thing that's giving me grief is that it's that half of the engine is higher up. Like I was saying. What if we go high? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ha! Nope, that wasn't a oh yeah. I just pulled out the bottom half on this side. Oh man. Yeah, that's what I was figuring would happen. I didn't think it would mount itself like that. As much as I would hope. Try this. Let's try that. Get the tranny up high and drop down the front of the engine. This would be a whole lot easier if I had one of those leveling dealios. Whoopa. Still nothing, huh? You son of a diddly. Thumbs up if you guys know what that's from. Ugh. I having a hard time seeing what I'm missing. At least where I'm coming from, it's looking... I just haven't wiggled it enough. Do the wiggle dance, right? What if I do that? Now let's try pushing it in farther. And then I drop it down and I push it in slightly. No? No, that's no go. Oh, that one. Just that one. Oh, why do you give me such grief? Being a hoo-ha. I'm pretty sure that's going on there. Oh hey, it's 5:08. My episode just dropped. What if I do that? Okay, this is sketchy. Oh, this is sketchy. Ouch. Oh. All right. Ouch. Youch. That hurts. Come on now. Okay, let me think here. Oh, this is not a comfortable spot to sit and think. Oh. What if it's the little nubby on a flex plate and the torque converter? See if we can twist the torque converter around. Oh man, and get a bolt in there. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Oh, with a screwdriver. Weapon of choice. Oh god, yeah, and a freaking monster. Gone along. Oh. What? Alright, let's try this. I think this is supposed to be the right side, isn't it? Nope. Not the right size. Let's do this now. Oh, come on, there it is. No, that's where I wanted it. I need to turn the dang torque converter. Come on, torque converter. Okay, there's the bolt. Oh, it's going. Okay, yeah, so my grievances have been rectified. I got crap in my eye from being up underneath. The transmission has a dowel pin stuck in it, and so there's the dowel pin on the engine that can't go into the dowel pin on the transmission because there's already a dowel pin in the transmission. That made sense. I just forgot to say hole somewhere. So this is coming out. Oh. And there goes my flex plate, or my torque converter. Okay, so now I gotta be careful as I pull it out. Let me see if I can rock that torque converter back in there. Hate torque converters. Okay. There's the culprit. Right there, that rusty piece of crap is stopping me from getting my beautiful engine in the car. In the car. Oh. So, I'm gonna bang that out, hopefully, and then I gotta reseat my torque converter, which is always a pain. But yeah, finding something to bang with. That's always a problem, huh? I just came over it there. Okay, now I need a freaking... Okay, let's do this the right way and get some lube on it. Because otherwise it'll just be unhappy for the rest of its life. Yep, that's what we're looking at right there. That was the hard part, of trying to find something worthless enough in the garage to bang on. Oh, I don't want to use any of these bolts because I'm pretty dang sure I need the bolts. Let's go look in our junk pile. No, that's what I was doing. Yeah, I was right. Right there. This engine's kind of in the way. Whoa. Yeah, there we go. Didn't hear it hit the ground. But at this point, don't care. See, I feel like that's still hanging out too far. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. If you slow that down and replay it, you'll be able to hear the 3 clicks. The click, all at once. Oh, gotta love screwing over my brand newly painted, all nice and tidy. Whatever. Let's get rid of that guy again. Is this too hot? Is she hot? Yeah, she's hot. Oh man. Okay, back up in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nobody wants to see my neck that bad. Okay, so take 2. Took a break. Mostly I had to just go get a new battery for this camera Machina. Because it was cutting out on me. So, fingers crossed that it just drops in like it did last time as easily as it did last time. I'm pretty sure it will, because if that dumb dowel pin stuck in the transmission wouldn't have been there, pretty sure this thing would have put itself in. So, round 2. I hate having it up so high, but you know, do what you can. Okay, line it up. Push. Okay. Centered right on, perfect, nice and all. Too far forward with the swing angle, but I'll take care of that as we get to it. Boom. So first checkpoint, pull it out. Second checkpoint, pull it out. Third checkpoint, pull it out. Okay. I think we're ready to schmooze. Let's try this. Yeah, like that. Nope, not like that. Like that. Okay. Oh yeah. Whew. We're about right on. So let's just jam it in there. Thunk. You're not even seeing on any of this. I'm sorry. Anyway. I'm not. I don't really care. It's round 2. You already saw all that part. All you guys are waiting for is the magic pop, right? The big one. Let's pull out. Yeah, anyway. Put it down. Just that much. I'm really amazed with how easy this engine is to get in. With how huge it is, it honestly just wants to go together. She's tired of not having a heart in her. Let's do the old one too. Okay. That's as easy as it gets. I think. You guys are getting in the way of me. Well, the other side's back on again. Super easy. This side's still having a goofy time about it, but whammo. I just hit it. Woohoo! No gap. That's what I'm talking about. That was fantastic. That was so quick. I'm telling you what. That's just another reason to like the H6. I guess it's just an automatic Subaru. Automatics are easier. There's not as much that has to get all together on the right train. Okay, well. So I throw another one in here. How quick was that? That was fantastically smooth and fast, even with just one person. It always amazes me. So good. Okay, that needs a extra little hanky panky. And there goes the wrench. Anyway, now it's time to get it in the motor mounts. I think maybe let's throw on the other one real quick. Well, okay, so we got two in the top, and I'm gonna drop the tranny, see what we can do. Ooh. See if that'll help us get it into motor mounts. Yeah, we got plenty of space before we get the hip motor. We gotta do the combo. Make sure they line up. Oh, they're looking good. Oh man, are you serious? Ah! Really was that easy. Wackadoo. It's in. Holy bucket. How about that? That is seriously the easiest motor install I have ever done. Dang. Nah, because I've done this on an automatic. My Legacy GT. The first time, well, when I did the head gaskets on it, we pulled it. And getting it back in was a bit of a chore, even with 2 people doing it. So, yeah. +1 for the H6. I mean, plus like way more than 1 because I love this thing so much. These are such good engines, especially the R. VTEC yo. Variable valve timing is considerably more awesome than a non-variable valve timing H6, even though they're both pretty rad. So now it's just buttoning up the last bitsies and getting the flex plate torqued to the torque converter, getting the engine torqued to the bell housing, getting my starter on, motor mounts bolted into the cross member, exhaust manifold on, intake manifold on, power steering pump. I might go ahead and just swap out my whatever you want to call this guy, my air conditioning condenser, because I don't know how much oil is in this one, and I know there's enough oil in the other one. So yeah, and now it's all the little boring tiny bits and getting it all back together. Engine's in though.